Hi everybody, I'm back with another video. This time I am doing the Miskos Cosmetics Lipstick. Got these products at a discounted price. You can find these on Amazon.com. So I'm going to be doing the lip colors for you guys so you can see how each shade looks. Alright, so the shades come from 1 to 6, so we're gonna try each one. Now this is how they come in the packaging. Okay, so it actually comes in this sleeve, which you pull it out of, and you get these. So it comes in this packaging like this once you take it out of the sleeve, and it is from 1 to 6 in the shades. So that's how they come. I believe this cost, I think it was about maybe 15 or less. I did get this discounted. So we're gonna see how the colors look. I like the packaging though already. I think it's very cute. It has like these elephants on the bottom. It's by Miskos Cosmetics. I think their company is also animal cruelty free, which is great. Alright, so let's get into these colors. Okay, so as you can see, I have taken off the lipstick that I had on. Now this is my bare lip, and I'm ready to try on these colors. So the first color is number 1. Sorry. So the first color, is number 1. We're gonna see what this shade looks like. This is how it looks. It's how it comes inside the packaging. I think it's very cute. You just pull that off, and this is what you get. This is color 1. Here you go. So, as you can see, number 1 is a nude shade on me, I would say. It's like a very nude color. That's number 1. I'm gonna put this away and let's get into shade number 2. This shade looks like this. It's a little bit darker than the first shade, so let's see how that goes. So I will say that this shade looks a lot similar to the first shade. It's a little bit more peachy, but it still has that nude look to it. Let's go ahead and get into shade number 3. So here is shade number 3. As you can see, this color is a little darker. It's pink. I kind of like this color. It's like a fun summer color. Moving on, let's go to shade number 4. So this is number 4. It kind of looks like the last color, but it's darker. Okay, so this color is a little orangey. Definitely another fun summer color that I would wear. I like this color, it's cute. I must say that all these apply very nicely. It's very smooth on your lips. You're not getting flaked up and crusty. It doesn't feel like my lips are dry. It's nice and moisturizing. It's good to have for your lips. You want something that's gonna be moisturizing on your lips. So, I like this color. Color number 5. Drum roll. Color number 5. This is color number 5. Like a goldish color. I don't know if I like this color or if I would wear this color. I don't think this color suits my skin well. And now we're gonna move on to the last color. It is color number 6. It is pink, like a pinkish purple. I will say that I like this color the most because I like pinks and stuff like that. I could see myself wearing this color. I'd probably mix it with another color, but I think it's cute. Those are colors 1 through 6, and I think that 6 is going to be my favorite color out of all of them. I will say that these colors don't necessarily suit my skin. I mean, it's up to you what colors you want to mix and match with, but I can play with these colors. I can mix them up, so I'll make it work. So my review for the Miskos lipsticks is they apply great. It's very smooth and moisturizing for your lips. It doesn't dry them out. I feel like this is matte, and for a matte color, it's very moisturizing. You want your color to be moisturizing for your lips because you don't want them to dry out. And like I said, it's very smooth consistency. I do think that this is a great buy. It's a great brand to buy, and it's very low costing, which is also well. Go ahead and take a look for it yourself on Amazon.com. I will have a link in the description, and you guys can go through and buy it if you're interested. So thank you for watching this video on my product review for the Miskos Cosmetics lipsticks. You should subscribe to my page if you haven't already. Like this video and leave comments on what you guys might want to see me do next. Thank you for watching.